That wasn't the clear and pure dynastic thing right here. Okay. Hi guys, here's me, Anna, and I'm at my desk. We're gonna trade today with the Quotex platform. We're gonna test the strategies, and I think I got back with some simplified strategies just to be commenting it in a bad way. Just to be complaining and showing maybe disadvantages more than advantages. That's fine, that's the trading too. Let's start. Guys, let's make it, let's do it. 500 for the start. I want a coffee so bad. I didn't take the coffee while I was having a lunch, and that was the main problem because I feel like I'm falling asleep. But today already I had 2, but it seems like not enough. Okay, complaining but working, complaining but doing that. That's my motto. That's my life. Even being honest, I love complaining. I do lots of stuff and I complain a lot. Taking my trainings, dance classes, I complain a lot. During testing the strategies, all I am doing is complaining. Like, that's bad. I hate it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm complaining, but doing. I think that's better than not doing, but it's definitely worse than doing and not complaining. But this is my coping strategy. This is how I battle my anxiety, just complaining. Okay, that was a little bit too much from my mental health. And we're gonna be starting trading. Moving average and RSI. Guys, that's gonna be tricky and risky just because this is kind of bold strategy. That's not enough info from the RSI and moving average, but if I'm gonna try to find some, I don't know, toothless situations, I think we can handle them with that strategy. Let's see. Seems like rising from the first side, but then when you take just the second glance, that up was the peak and we're gonna be getting downward after. And here, all the indicators just like, that's gonna be like that, girl. Let's check. Being downward is the nicest thing right here, just because that's my expectations. I am right here downward. That's it. Just as I told you, when you find, I'm just raising, when you find an easy situation where it's actually, even without the indicator, everything is clear, you can try to handle that with that type of strategies where actually nothing is clear. If it's going to be difficult or complicated situation, here is clear, with the indicators it's clear, that's the double match. I don't like that situation. I'm just gonna complain while you're gonna be just skipping. So it was so easy, so nice, so obvious, and it just didn't help. That wasn't the clear and pure tendency of getting upward. But anyway, we were at the last train, at the last second. So guys, that's just luck. The thing is, how long are we gonna be getting that downward? Are we in the beginning or in the middle of the trend? How about these indicators? What we can actually read from that indicators. Now we can read that we are getting upward, and I can see that with this, oh my god, green candles. But the good news that in this type of situations, we can actually be wrong about how long is that, but we can win on the second pattern. So we've been actually maybe thinking or pretending or wishing that it's going to be one long downward trend, and we went into it, but actually it was short one. Then we're going to get back then we gotta get back, and we can catch with this type, especially 10 seconds candles, there's, two patterns, and be right not on that first sliding, but on the second one. I hope this situation is just like that, because if it's not, okay, dokie, that was fine. That's actually just a normal sliding and getting extremely downward, but with a tiny inconvenience. Here we are. That's the plateau, I believe. I think so. That's the plateau, and right after we gotta get downward. Look at this RSI. That's kinda in the upper position. Moving average just doubling what we have already on the chart, so nothing else we actually can read perfectly from it. But I think that's the peak, and we're gonna get back. And I must say that 2 peaks before, I may think that's the peak, but that's the plateau, and the entry point is kinda important right here. You better be entering at the green candles when we are getting as up as we can, because that's gonna be the peak. And even if it's gonna be the plateau and we're gonna be just moving like that, there's actually increasing our chances to get it as a profit, because we are at the peak and it's never gonna be the peak, the same again, like in the song. Same again. I'm a bad singer, so I'm not gonna make it out loud. That's it. I was correct. And oh my god. But maybe that's good. Just as I told you before, I entered that at the peak position, because when I was pressing the bottom, it was way more downward. And here with this peak position, now, that's awful bad. And this perspective, again, I didn't expect that it's going to be continuation, that this trend are going to be that high. So the opposite decision to it was we got to get downward. So I made it, and I think it's going to be beautiful. Yes, with these estimated levels, that's nice. It turned to be like that, and that's for good. That's for good, guys. Now I'm safe, even if I enter way more downward. Okay, let's take it out. Let's collect all. Yes, calculate it, and that's 9,000 with all these bats. And it's done. Just as I told you in the beginning, we're gonna be complaining, we're gonna be unhappy, we're not gonna be satisfied. This is it. If you wanna be like that, if you wanna test, or maybe have, some adrenaline, risk and stuff, and if you have plenty of the nerve cells and you are willing to spend it, that's the strategy that you need. That's the strategy that you need to try on to handle some difficult situations, high volatility, high stakes. That's for you.